Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south from Green Park towards Claremont on the B11 Green Park to Bamboo Road. To the right, you can find Prosper Hall. Entering Claremont. The sign on the left reads, "Welcome to Claremont." On the right is the Claremont Market. We are now driving on Main Street. To the left is Claremont Courthouse and the police station. Just ahead is Claremont Clock Tower, and the road to the right will take you towards 9 Mile Community, Bob Marley's birthplace. On the left is the Claremont Post Office. Additionally, the road on the right, which we passed earlier, will take us to Reggae Land, Edinburgh Castle, and to Bob Marley's Mausoleum. On the right is the Claremont Library and also Claremont New Testament Church of God. On the left is Ogle Street as well as Ferncourt High School. On the right is Miracle Tabernacle Church. On the left is Broad Street. We are now driving on the B11 Golden Grove to Claremont Road. Entering Beechamville. On the right is Beechamville Methodist Church. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.